Είμαστε στο δρόμο από το Bari και οδηγούμε 36 χιλιόμετρα νότια για να φτάσουμε στο Polignano Mare. Το Polignano Mare είναι πόλη και δήμος στην επαρχία Bari, στην Απουλία, στις ακτές της Αδριατικής θάλασσας, στη νότια Ιταλία. Πιστεύετε ότι είναι η τοποθεσία της αρχαίας ελληνικής πόλης Νεάπολης της Απουλίας. Η πόλη, που όπως θα δούμε σε λίγο εναέρια, είναι κτισμένη σε βράχο 20 μέτρων και είναι ένα από τα πιο πολυφωτογραφημένα μέρη του κόσμου και ιδιαίτερα της Ιταλίας. Δεν είναι καθόλου τυχαίο που αποκαλείται ως το γαλάζιο διαμάντι της Απουλίας.
People fail to pass the test, holding out for a last chance, the heart to relapse. One more life to take me, and I hope that you won't try, 'cause I don't wanna know if I get out.
It's time Fact or fiction, you picked your poison. This mental friction, clearly it's been broken. Borderline tragic, you're so dramatic. It's automatic, you turn it on like magic. What would it take to make you feel better again? What would it take to make you feel better again? What would it take to make you feel better again? Better again. Don't deliver, truth it tastes so bitter. Walking a fine line, living a white lie. You're wasting my time, waiting for a bright side. Applaud, get you in the face with the feelings. This is all we got. It should have been fucking easy, but turns out it's not. Can someone please stop the bleeding till you call the shots? So staring up at the ceiling, did we lose the plot? Get you in the face with the feelings. This is all we got. It should have been fucking easy, but turns out it's not. Can someone please stop the bleeding? I wanna know what you know and let it go. It's out of your control. Would you just be fucking honest with yourself? Fact or fiction, you picked your poison. This mental friction, clearly it's been broken. Borderline tragic, you're so dramatic. It's automatic, you turn it on like magic. What would it take to make you feel better again? What would it take to make you feel better again? What would it take to make you feel better again? Better again.